Machiegni kendo nya kwa Ramogi rivo gavanas medo golo yuak ewi chenro mar chwalo thieth mar universal health coverage mowinjo chakre ayanga dwe manyien misiro kod chenro mar okumba mar SHIF. Owinjore kaka giloso gi sani.
But the counties which operate public facilities are disadvantaged in terms of payment or the monies that are owed to those public facilities by NHIF. Most of the payments went to the private sector, and most of the facilities in the public sector have not been paid. We are owed up to 8 billion by NHIF. So as we transition, we do not want to see a situation where the 8 billion becomes a pending bill for the public facilities. We urge the facilities that have not been paid for their debts to be settled by NHIF, and of course they need for them to be remunerated or given monies by the national government for them to do that. That is our ask. That is the only way we will transition to SHIF or SHA with a smooth transition, having no debts, with county facilities not struggling. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Just a quick one. I do understand the meeting that was held prior. Sorry, my name is Helen Oramentally. I do understand the meeting that was held prior was also negotiation between the national government and the county governments to be able also to understand the data protection that will ensure a smooth transition between NHIF and SHA. How far are we with that?
Thank you very much. On the issue of the transition from the NHIF and SHA, we have been given the confidence from the ministry that that is progressing well. In the interim, what they have agreed is that they will use the system and the data that already exists under the defunct NHIF as we roll out the new, and it will overlap. That is usually the normal procedure of rolling out information systems when you are upgrading from an older one to a new one. So that is progressing very well, and they will be validating, and hopefully in the next couple of months we will completely have transitioned to the SHA system.
Masi Chalamat, Daily Nation. I have a question still on SHIF. Initially, we had Nakumicha saying that SHIF will not be offering enhanced medical insurance for civil servants. But last week, the Ministry of Public Service just issued a tender notice asking for medical insurance companies to place their tender bids. So what happened? Where is the change coming from? Does that mean that SHIF is not ready to provide comprehensive medical insurance?
I think from where I understand it will be very similar to what we already had, where we have the normal cover and then we have an enhanced cover, but there is always an advanced cover that may require external support from external parties, and I think that question will be best answered by the Ministry of Health. Thank you very much.
G7.